The DJI Inspire is a great drone. This is the one that most of my colleagues use for their commercial assignments. It has superior stability in flight and a lot of programmable features that can be used for inspection. I see this one used with two-man teams a lot. It has a cameraman and a pilot. My friends Roman Molla of FlyWorx, Jonathan LaLiberty of Third Eye Aerial Media, and Kelsey Norris of Southeast Drone use this type. It is advertised as perfect for high-level shoots and professional sets. My colleagues like it because it can handle winds and has stability features for more secure flights within more confined environments, such as around buildings and trees. Now, newer versions of this drone have been released. The only problem that I've ever had with DJI products is that with every new drone comes a new sized battery, which is never interchangeable with the older versions. You can find the Inspire 1 for $1,099. The Inspire 2 can go as high as $7,999.